Nice. Even smells like a new truck.
Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Completed. And we have the car of the day. This is a 2014 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. And this is a special edition interior. And you can see the layout for the design is different from the standard Tundra. I will show you in a minute. So this is the special edition in red, featuring black piping and black stitching. And let's take a look at the toy. The Crew Max has a larger door in the back. And this is what I was talking about. Do you see, guys, the difference between this design, which is basically straight lines in the bottom and in the lean back? Now let's compare. You're gonna have a nicer design with a kind of curvy finish, top and bottom. And then you have this other section right here that is like an incision or an insert in a round position, which is gonna make this interior more beautiful. And we have it right here at Upholstery Technology, LeatherTeck.com. Now, guys, it's nothing wrong but age with this interior in this 2014 Tacoma. We cannot call it the ugly, stinky, stained cloth seats this time, but it's still people wants to enhance the appearance of the vehicle. That's why they choose to bring it to us, and in this case we're gonna be changing to red, including the console. So not only that, we're gonna be replacing our exclusive product, which is the door panel insert for this Tundra. This kit you can only buy at LeatherTeck.com or Upholstery Technology, or you can inquire, guys. We can provide that kit for you if you decide to have a contrast stitch or any other color for your Tundra. And again, that's exclusively at Upholstery Technology, LeatherTeck.com. So this is going to be the rear, which is your standard seat for the Crew Max or the double cab. And one last part that we're gonna be doing for this beautiful vehicle, let me show you in the passenger side. It's gonna be that section right there, also only available at Upholsterytechnology.com or LeatherTeck. This is for the 2014. It covers many other years, but I don't have the spec right now. I'll let you guys know how many years we can cover these things. You can ask, make an inquiry, put it in the comments. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see the completion of this interior on red. A special edition design. And you can always call Upholstery Technology here in San Bernardino, so you can book an appointment for an installation, professional installation done the same day here in San Bernardino, 703 South Gifford Avenue. Or if you are somewhere else, we ship for free, 48 continental state. We can ship worldwide, just have to pay the freight. And guys, look forward for the completion video in this 2014 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. The installation is completed, guys. I want you to see the difference from what you see in the box, out of the box kit. They really looks like crap, I know. And the difference now that is already installed. Now keep in mind, guys, when you do this at home, obviously it's gonna be a little bit more wrinklish, or in the office. What I mean is, if you do it yourself, if you take it to a professional, expect it to be more smooth right away. But it takes time. For sure, over time it's gonna smooth out. Leather tends to shrink. That's the beautiful about leather. It's gonna shrink, and the wrinkles that you see are gonna disappear. You don't even gonna notice that. So don't worry if your kit didn't come out the way that you expected it. It's gonna smooth out eventually. But I want you to see the transformation once it's installed by professionals like us. So that's what I want you to come to San Bernardino if it's possible. If not, keep on ordering your kits, do it yourself. We give you the support, all the time. We got you covered. Or you can bring it to us and see the results. The transformation is there. Visit LeatherTeck.com or emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. You're gonna be satisfied with the product. Is the best in the market, so it's nothing better right now. So we got the top of the line. Let's take a look at the vehicle because it looks fantastic.
The driver's side or?
Any side you like.
Oh, that's nice. Dang. Wow. Beautiful. Dang. Wow, it really pops. It's crazy.
Yes, the color is really making a difference because now all the details comes to life.
For sure. Wow, it looks amazing. It even looks good with the silver.
Wow, look at the back. When you open the back.
That is unreal.
That's what I said. It doesn't even look like the same truck.
Wow.
Looks like a completely different vehicle.
Yeah.
Beautiful, bud. Man, you do awesome work. Really
Thank
good.
you.
Nice. Even smells like a new truck.
It does.
Beautiful, bro. I love it. Man, so happy.
I'm glad you're so happy
Absolutely
about
love
it. Let me show you guys the front. So this is what we did to our client.
Yeah, it's amazing. See, you can see these scratches a lot more. Now that you see the pretty interior.
There you have it, guys. When you need your leather interior, customers are saying it. They're so delighted with the completion of the work and the finish.
It's like getting a new truck.
There you go.
It really is.
Visit us right
This truck
here.
needed to finish it off.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful.
Well, we need
Beautiful
my
work.
mini done now.
Yeah. That's
Next
why we
one.
bought her little Mini Cooper. I want you to look at that and see
Yeah.
how
Absolutely.
much you do the seats in red.
Yes, we can do that too.
Awesome.
This
Right.
looks good.
Yeah, it does. I'm so glad I had him do that.
Mm-hmm.
Sit in the seats. They feel good too.
Yeah, more solid.
Yeah, exactly.
And there you have it, guys. Visit us right here in San Bernardino. Go to our website, LeatherTeck.com, emupholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe. And if you guys have any question, please put it in the comments. Any color, any car, any style, we have it for you. See you guys in the next video.
Awesome.
And it is completed. There you have it, guys. Seats, door panel inserts, dashboard piece. Tundra. 2014 Toyota Tundra, guys. Again, you can get these kits in any color, any configuration for this truck, the Tundra. Visit emupholsterytechnology.com, LeatherTeck.com. Door panels and the dash piece are exclusively from us. It's not available anywhere else. It's just beautiful, these interiors. Look at that. Wow. Guys, if you have questions about your particular vehicle, put it in the comments. Give us a call. Visit our websites, LeatherTeck.com, upholsterytechnology.com, and change your stinky, ugly, uncomfortable cloth seats for leather.